Ya Wadud, love me even after I falter, and let your love reach me through every mercy I overlook. Teach me to love you more than what you give, and to find sweetness in every test that draws me closer to your love. Announce your love for me in the heavens, until I hear that announcement myself in paradise. Surround me with it in everything around me, and let me feel it deep inside myself. Ya Muhsin, you perfect everything you touch. Make me one of those who do good because you do good. Guide me to the ways of good in every single one of my dealings. Then let my deeds of excellence to others be a reflection of your unmatched perfection. Ya Shakur, for every small effort I make, reward me beyond measure. Let me never grow tired of thanking you, and never forget that gratitude itself is a gift from you. Accept from me what is broken, and multiply it until it becomes whole.